Okay, well, it's day 5 since I got this 2021 Ram Limited. 243 miles. Gas mileage is going up a little bit. Still recovering from all the idling. Anyway, I got a couple of small initial modifications that I'm doing right off the bat, or I just call them improvements. It's not really modifications. So let's get to it. Before I start, I noticed a manufacturer's defect on this. So this is the driver's side. Take a look at this. You see that door trim coming all the way down. Now, look at this side. Look at that. What is up with that Ram? Well, what they did was they put the 5.7 box trim on the passenger side with this 6.4 box. Anyway, I sent an email to the dealer and we'll see what they're going to do about it. I'm sure it'll be just fine. But anyway, 2 small things we're going to do today. Open this up. So this is it. I bought the Husky liners. I'm going to put those in. And then I got something a little extra here. Watch some videos so I know I need some scissors or a box cutter. So let's get to it. Get this set up. This is the back piece. Flip that back over. And there we go. Now, the thing about this back piece is, I believe I'm going to have to remove this piece right here, because in the back seat, here's the original. Get this out of the way. Get my boots out of the way. I got this box here, so it's not going to fit around that box. So I got to cut that off. And just to show you, we'll lay it on top. Around, get the other seat up. I think these are going to be real nice. Pardon me. Those are the tire pressure monitors for a trailer. That I don't currently have a trailer that big that I need to do that with, but we'll keep them anyway. I'm just going to lay this here so you can see. This piece has to come out right here to fit around that box. some utility scissors. Turn this a little bit, and we'll get to cutting. Can't really see that. Not as easy as it looks. Use this box cutter. That helps. Helps in scoring it. Okay. Let's go see how this works. Undo these tabs here. Slide this out. Should have done a little vacuuming first. Oh, sorry about that. Kind of hard to do one-handed. Get that up. Get that up. And this up. Get it in here. It's got these little things here that go where the button is. I can get it in there. Needs to be catching. Okay, get that underneath the box. That's probably what it is. Okay, I got that one in. On over. And get this one in. Kind of odd. guess it fits okay. It doesn't seem to fit as good as I wanted it to. Let's see here. See, I got a lump here. If that goes where that button is, and this goes where that button is, doesn't seem quite right, does it? Maybe it'll lay down with a little bit of time. We'll see. Because this is flat, and this is supposed to be for 2021. Well, I'm not too keen on that right now. See this bulge over here? I'm not liking that. Maybe with a little heat it'll lay down, I don't know. It doesn't seem like it should be that way. Okay, well, we'll let the heat take care of it and see what happens. Let's do the fronts. I assume this is the driver's side here. Let's go do that. And I really had to do it because I was already getting grass all the way up under there every time I get in and get out. Pull these out. All you do is slide it up under the pedals. Now my last truck I had WeatherTechs, and they were good, but they're stiff. And when they're real stiff, tendency to slide when you get in with wet feet or snowy feet. Now that fits a whole lot better there. It fits real good. See, it goes way up under the pedals too. Won't have to worry about getting grass in there. I'm happy with this than I am the back seat so far. Okay, one more. Let's get this. Now I'll save these, so when I go to either sell it or trade it in, or if I want to go somewhere extra nice, I can put them in instead of having plastic bottoms. Let's see here. That's going right there. This one is going where it's supposed to. Yeah, these front ones fit a lot better than the back ones. We'll see how that goes. I'm going to clean these up and put them in one of these boxes and keep them. They should actually make a score line to cut this back piece on, and it'd be a whole lot better. Get a smoother cut probably. I probably really should have just scored it with a knife first. So for those of you putting them in, make sure you score it with a knife first. And this is my second little goodie. I ordered it from these people here, VITOD, Vitadeco, whatever that is. But it's real simple. Let's see what it is. Now I got it off eBay, but they're on Amazon too. So it's a leather cover for my key, so I don't get it all scratched up and rub the limited off of it or rub the buttons clean or anything like that. And it fits right in there. It's a little bit of a struggle, so let's see what I can do to get it in. It's tight. It's real tight. I'll work it. Yeah, so working both sides. It's going on. Actually good because it's tight, because it probably won't slip off. This thing was $14. That was with free shipping. But since this is the one that's going to be in my pocket all the time, try to protect it. Well, that sucker is in there. It's tight. It's not stiff, so you can't just push on it. You got to kind of work the thread on the side. Anything to grab? Nothing to grab. Just have to work it. There we go. Now it's moving. I think it's taking longer to put this on than it did to put the floor mats in. Alright, so you know it's not easy. Almost there. There we go. There we go. Now it's on there. Alright. So that's nice. It's got everything marked for you here. Still works. So let's lower her down and see what happens. Oh yeah. Tell me I can't do it because I got everything open. But it comes with this clip here too, so if you're one of those guys who likes to clip it to your belt loop, there you go. Well, that's it for today. I'll make another one when I get some more stuff in. If you have any suggestions for this thing, let me know. I'm going to do a video one day on how I bought it. I bought it a special order online through a company called Nowcar. And so I'll do a review of that. Well, until then, just remember, deserve has nothing to do with it.